So here you can see that I'm already in a video call, and then if I want to add another person while I'm having the conversation, then you simply click on this icon right here. Where it says the plus button besides this little human icon. So you can go over here and send the invite to the other user. So the other user can simply go ahead and then will receive the notification. So once you invite that out, what happens is that the other user will be getting an invitation and they will have to answer. And what will happen is that once they accept the invitation, they'll be added in right over here, as you can see. So you can see multiple people like this, and you can click on the one you want to view. So in my case, I'm using the same webcam, so you can see that I have the same people right here. But as you're conversing with other people, you'll see other people right here, just like this. They can also join by using the link. So you can just copy the link and share it to them. And what will happen is that they'll be using that link to join in your video call, just like that as well. If you want to directly do a group call, then what you can do is you can simply go over here onto group call, just like that. For example, I'm going to go to test2 group, and then what you can do is you can simply go over and then initiate a group call. So the call invitation will be sent to both of them, just like that. So you can see that it says calling two of the people right over here. So what they will have to do is they'll have to accept. Both of them will have to accept this, and they will be joining the video call just like this. And that is how you initiate a group call inside of Google Hangouts. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.